Hello, welcome to Rising Technologies. This is Harish. You're watching part 1 of Go Java tutorial. In this session, we are going to discuss about history and evolution of Java, features of Java language, structure of Java program, and application development using Java. We are going to see a very simple Java program, compiling Java program, and how to execute a simple Java program. Java is related to C++, which is direct descendant of C. Most of the characteristic of Java is inherited from these two languages. Java derives its syntax from C, and many of Java's object-oriented features were influenced by C++. Initially, Java was conceived at Sun Microsystem by this team. This team contains James Gosling, Patrick Norton, Chris Wall, Ed Frank, and Mike Sheridan. It was first introduced in year 1991 and it was initially called as Work, but was renamed as Java in 1995. Java was designed for the development of softwares for consumer electronics devices like VCR, TVs, toaster, washing machine, etc. But as of today, Java is owned by Oracle Corporation. As Java is a very feature-rich language, Java is truly object-oriented. One of the important features of Java is it is compiled as well as interpreted. Normally, a computer language is either compiled or interpreted, but Java combines both of these approaches and makes a Java a two-stage system. First, Java compiler translates your program code to what known as bytecode. That means this is your Java source code, and once you compile this Java source code using Java compiler, you get what's called as bytecode. Bytecode instructions are actually machine instructions. Therefore, in second stage, Java interpreter generates a machine code that can be directly executed by hardware or underlying machine which is running your Java program. That means this is the Java bytecode, and this Java bytecode will be translated via this bytecode interpreter into the respective machine language. Okay, so you can clearly differentiate between Java and other language translation. Just like you can see, this is a translation system of C programming language. You are supposed to write your C source code, and C compiler is going to compile your program, and it will directly generate a object code, and this code will be directly understood by the underlying hardware. But it is not the case in Java. This is your Java source code, and once you compile your Java source code, you do not get actually a bytecode, or can say sorry, you do not get actually a machine code. What you get is called as bytecode. This bytecode will then translate it via an interpreter of this system, that is JVM, and this interpreter translates your bytecode into underlying machine code. Okay, so let's see what this JVM stands for, or what this JVM. First of all, bytecode is a highly optimized set of instructions that's designed to be executed by the Java runtime system, which is called as Java Virtual Machine, or in short you can say JVM. So what JVM is? JVM is a platform independent execution environment, and it is responsible for translation of Java bytecode to the native machine code. Secondly, this JVM is also responsible for execution of Java program, memory management, garbage collection. We are going to study this garbage collection in a later sessions, but today just understand that JVM is responsible for execution of your Java program along with translating your bytecode into underlying machine code. So translating a Java program into bytecode makes it much easier to run that program in a wide variety of environments, because only the JVM needs to be implemented for each platform, and thus Java is called as platform independent. So this image will make this idea clear that why Java is called as a platform independent, or can say portable language. As a programmer, you just need to write your Java code, save the file with .java extension, And Java compiler is going to translate this particular source code or your Java program into bytecode with the extension of .class to the respective file. Once you have translated your Java program into bytecode, all you need to do is just implement respective JVM with the respective operating system. You don't need to really compile your program separately for each and every different operating systems. You have just translated your program into bytecode, and the JVM that is designed for Windows operating system is going to receive this bytecode and translate that bytecode into underlying native code. Okay, this JVM code that is designed for Linux operating system is going to read this bytecode, translate that bytecode into the native code that is suitable or that is understandable by Linux and other operating system. So I hope this image will make the idea clear about what why Java is actually called as a two-stage system. Okay, so let's have a look at Java program structure. In Java programming language, a program is made up of one or more classes. A class contains one or more methods, and a method contains some executable statements. Remember that a Java application always contains a method with the name main, because main is the gateway or can say entry point of any Java application. So this is the structure of a simple Java program. First of all, you need to create a class, something like this, public class and name of your class. And this is the class body. Within this class, you can have several methods, but one method that is necessary by Java, that is main method. And the syntax to declare a main method is something like this. You should declare this method as public, static, returning void, and the name of method is main method. This method takes the parameter of string array that is called as string arguments. While running your Java application from command prompt, you can pass some arguments to your program, and those arguments were received within this arguments array. And this is the method body where you can put your executable statements. Along with executable statements, you can write some comments about class, about method, and whatever you want to provide help for. Okay. So this is the structure of a simple Java program. Now, what are the activities involved in developing a program? The first activity, writing the program in a specific programming language such as Java. Second, translating the Java program into a form that a computer can execute. And third, investigating and fixing various type of errors that can occur while translating or can say executing your Java program. So this image will help us to clear the idea. The first stage is edit and save your program. Second stage, compile your program. If some compilation error occurs, you need to again rectify your program, find out the errors and fix them. Again save the program, one more time compile the program. If again error occurs, you need to fix and investigate the errors. But if your program compiles successfully, you need to execute your program and evaluate the result. If your program is executing but it is producing incorrect results, that may be due to some incorrect formula or something like that. So you need to again fix these errors, edit your program, save your program, compile it, and again execute and evaluate the results. If result evaluation is successful, that means you can say your program is working perfectly. So there are many programs that supports the development of Java applications like JDK, Java Development Kit. This is freely available at official site of Oracle. Another development tool is NetBeans. This is the IDE that is most popularly used by developers worldwide to write Java application. Another popular IDE is Eclipse. This IDE is developed by IBM Corporation. Along with these three tools, there are several tools like JBuilder, CodeWarrior, BlueJay. Okay. So, though the details of environment differ, the basic compilation and execution process is essentially same no matter which development tool you are going to actually use. Within our demonstration, we are going to use a very simple tiny editor, that is Edit Plus, and for some examples I am going to use this tool, that is Eclipse, okay, because it is very easy, it is lightweight IDE for Java. Now let's have a look at very simple Java program. I'm going to create a class with the name myProgram. Within this class, I have added this main method, and within this main method, I have written a statement to print a simple message on the console. And the statement is something like this: system.out.println, and the message I want to print on the console. We are going to have a look at these concepts in a very great detail in a later sessions. Today, just a part of introduction, you just need to create a class. Within that class, you need to encapsulate a main method, and within main method, you can have some executable statements. Also, you can write some comments anywhere in your program like this. Now, the first thing you must learn about Java is the name of your source program file is very important. For this example, the name of source file should be myprogram.java. But why? Look at the program. The name of the class defined by the program is also myprogram. Look at this. Okay. So this is not a coincidence. In Java, all code must reside inside a class, and by convention, the name of that class should match the name of the file that holds the program. So that is why my class name is myprogram, so I should save this program with the name myprogram.java. One more thing, you should also make sure that the capitalization of file name should match the class name. That means I cannot create a class something like my program, and I cannot save this with a my program that contains p in a lowercase. So I I must be careful about the name of my class and the name of my file. That file contains this program. Now to compile this my program, you need to execute the Java compiler, and the executable for that compiler is known as javac. So the syntax of compiling your Java program is something like this. You need to execute your Java compiler executable providing the name of your source file, and the name of our file is myprogram.java. So the javac compiler is going to create a file called as myprogram.class, and this file actually contains the bytecode version of the program. We have just discussed that when you translate, or can say you just compile your program using Java compiler do not create an executable code. Java compiler generates only bytecode, and that bytecode resides with a file with the name extension .class. And once you successfully compile your program, if you want to run your program, and to run your program you need to invoke this file, this executable that is called as Java. This is called as Java application launcher. Just specify Java and name of your class. Remember, in front of javac you need to provide name of your source file, okay, but in front of Java you need to specify the name of your class. So the name of our class is myprogram, but the name of our source file is myprogram.java. So let's try to create a very simple Java program. Let's first create a directory where we can save our programs. Right click, create a folder, and let's name it Java programs. Public class, and let's name it my program. So this is the body of our class. Within this class I need to create a method that is public static void and main. This main method takes an array of type string. Within this main method, I just want to write a system.out.println statement. The statement will print the given contents on the console. So I'm just going to say so my simple program is now ready. I need to save this program. So let's go to file, save, and I want to save this program on C drive and Java programs directory. I need to save this file with the name myprogram.java. So myprogram.java. I have created and saved my Java program. Now the next step is I need to compile this, and in order to compile this program I need to go to command prompt, just go to run, type command, go to the directory where the name of our directory Java programs. So just say cd Java programs. Look at this. Currently, this directory has only one file, that is myprogram.java. Now, in order to compile this, we need to invoke this file, that is javac. Javac stands for Java compiler. But if I say javac myprogram.java, look at this. There is an error stating javac is not recognized as internal or external command. So we need to somehow tell the DOS prompt where is the location of this javac. See, we need to first check out where Java is actually installed. So I'm going to C drive, program files, Java, and here is the Java installation directory, that is JDK 1.8.0_16. And within this there is a directory bin, and this bin directory contains javac and Java executable. This javac is actually our Java compiler, and this Java is our application launcher. This file is responsible to execute our Java program, and this file is responsible to translate our Java program into bytecode. So these files are available at this particular path, and I'm trying to execute this javac from a different path. So absolutely DOS prompt or operating system will not look at this javac. So I need to specify the path by using this path command, and let's copy this path and paste it right there. Okay, now if I say javac myprogram.java, and look at this, command successfully accepted. Javac has successfully compiled our program. Now if I issue dir command, you will see two different files. This is the file that we have created using Notepad, that is myprogram.java. And after successfully compiling this program, I have got one more file, that is myprogram.class. So this .class file actually contains the bytecode of our source program. Now if I want to run this, I need to say Java, and what is the name of my class? The name of my class is myprogram only. Look at this source program. The name of our class is myprogram. So I'm going to say Java and myprogram. See, the message we have displayed using system.out.println statement is displayed on the screen, that is welcome at Ryzen Technology. But you may find this approach is very tedious, that you need to every time go to the Java installation directory, copy the path from the address bar and paste it here while executing your program. Instead of this lengthy approach, what we can do is we can set an environment variable of path. So let's close this command prompt, minimize this program, go to my computer, click on properties and go to advanced system settings. You will find a button, environment variables. Just click on this button, and here we can register some environment variable. So now I want to register an environment variable with the name path. So just click on new. The name of variable is path, and the value is the address, or I can say the path of Java installation directory. Just click on OK, click OK and OK. Now if I run the command prompt one more time, and if I go to the directory where our programs is stored, now see, let's delete that myprogram.class file. So currently there is only one file, that is myprogram.java. Now I want to compile this using javac. So javac stands for Java compiler, myprogram.java. and command is successfully accepted because we have already specified the path of Java instruction directory in Windows environment variables. Now let's issue the IR command. Initially there was only one file, myprogram.java. Now there are two files. One file with the name myprogram.java, another file myprogram.class. And in order to run that program, I can say Java and name of my class, that is my program, and program is successfully executed. Actually, in our example, we are not going to follow this lengthy approach. Instead of this, I'm going to use another editor, and that editor is Edit Plus. So just click on Edit Plus, just click on File, New, and a Java program. So it will provide some instructions already. Now I'm going to create a class, and let's say program2 class, and within this I just want to print a message, hello world. Let's save this program in a directory C drive Java programs, file, save, and I want to save this program with this name, program2. Click on save. Edit Plus not only allows us to create Java program, it also allows us to compile and immediately execute these programs, but we need to perform some kind of configuration for that. Just go to Tools menu and you will find an option, Configure User Rules. Click on this option. We can create some menus within this Tools menu by making some kind of configuration over here. Just click on this button, that is Add Tool, and we need to add a program. So a menu will be created. So what menu text we want to display? I just want to display compile. And if user click on this compile menu, what command I need to execute? So I just need to go to Java installation directory and select this command, that is Java C. So click on open. What argument we need to pass to this particular executable? So remember, when I have compiled my program from command prompt, I have specified the command something like Java C myprogram.java. That means we need to provide name of our source file. So the argument to this particular program will be file name, and the directory will be file directory. Just click on apply, click on OK. Just go to Tools menu, you will find the option to compile your program. Just click on this button. Program has successfully compiled. But now I want to run this program, and to run this program I want one more option here with the name, with the title run. So just again go to Configure User Tools, click on Add Tool, Program, and say run. I want to execute Java Application Launcher. So the executable for that is this one, Java. So click on open. The argument Java Application Launcher expects is the name of your class. And we know that we have saved our file name with the class name.java extension. So we just need to specify file name without extension. That means if I save this particular file with the name program2.java, so file name without extension means program2, and that is what I want to pass to the Java Application Launcher. And the initial directory will be again file directory. Click on apply, click on OK. Now you will find two options, compile and run. We have just tested this compile option and it compiles our program successfully. Now if I click on run, this will execute our program. So it is saying hello world. Okay, so in this session we have just discussed how to create a simple Java program, how to compile Java program, and how to execute that Java program. Okay, we have seen how to compile our Java program using command prompt. We have seen how to compile our program using Edit Plus. We have also seen how to configure Edit Plus. Okay, thanks for watching. Visit us at our official site www.risingtechnologies.in. You can also subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.